at the TA here in Terrell, Texas, Truck Stop Travel Center. They have a little ministries here. Country Pride Restaurant, Subway, and Pizza Hut. A really big parking lot. Go ahead and take you inside and let you have a look around. There's a little convenience store for the truckers, a smaller center. Look at that garbage stand. Oh, that garbage can stinks. Nothing like Texas heat and humidity. Game room. They really do have a big parking lot here, this TA. I have to give 2 thumbs up to the TA here in Terrell, Texas. Very clean facility. The Country Pride food was awesome for a truck stop. It was actually real good. Nice salad bar. Plenty of parking here. The bathroom was clean for the women's. I don't know about the men's. How was the men's? Reasonable. Decent game room. Lounging areas, seating areas for people. I didn't take you into the store because you've all seen convenience stores, but I want to do this quick review of this TA in Terrell, Texas.
Yeehaw, Terrell.
If you like the video, please subscribe. If you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Now it's time to roll. Hauling onions.
Airing those out.
These poor guys that have to haul onions. You have to tarp the onions, but every so often you have to stop, pull the tarps, and air the onions out. And they pay next to nothing on those loads, which is totally ridiculous for all the tarping.
Then turn right onto I-20 East.
The one time I went to do it, I told him to kiss my ass. Left. In fact, I got so mad I deadheaded like 700 miles.
Well, they had no way of even securing the onions. They were just...
Still ain't secure.
Yeah, they're not secure. If you got in an accident, there'd be onions all over the road.
Should be in a
Turn
box,
right
man.
onto
That's it.
I-20 East. Then merge onto I-20 East.
I wonder if they get exceptions from the government to haul that stuff.
No, they just do it. When they get caught, they deal with it.
Turn right on I-20 East.
Much better to be full than hungry dealing with traffic. That just, me hungry is a bad thing all the way around. But hungry and traffic, I'm just one pissed off individual.
In a quarter mile, merge
My
onto
wife hates
I-20
me.
East.
Bad.
Take the ramp ahead to I-20
Pretty through here. I could move to Terrell, Texas.
Have fun with that.